Hi, in this video, we will see static block in Java. Okay. So static blocks are portion of class initialization code. Okay. Class initialization code, which are wrapped with static keyword. Okay. Static blocks are executed when the class is loaded in the memory. The moment class loads in the memory, then it will get executed. A class can have multiple static blocks and these will be executed in the same sequence in which they appear in the class definition. So how you, in which sequence you write, the same sequence it will get executed. So it will be, looks like this static initializer. We need to use static keyword and inside these curly braces, whatever you want to use, you write. So this will get executed the moment when the class loads in the memory. Okay, with the help of example, we'll see. I created one of the classes called static blocks, and we already discussing that main method is the starting point of your program execution. Because of that, if you write any methods, you need to call those methods from the main method, then only it will get executed and you can get the output, right? But there is a like one more thing called static block that we are discussing. This static means anything can be executed before main method. Yes, that is called static block. Okay, so here I'll write system dot out dot println. Okay, so this is main method. Okay, this is main method. So here, if I execute, it will print. The reason is I'm in the main method. It will directly execute the main method and it will print. But if I want to print something before this, so that can be done using static block. Simply static. You just put curly braces. Just type, if you want to see that output, you just mention this is static block. Okay, that simple it is. Let me go to command prompt execute Java static blocks.java. So as per the rule, what we have seen, main method will get executed first. First it will come here. But here how it is printing? It is printing. This is static block first, and this is main method second. Means first it executed this one. Means before main method also, if you want to execute something, you need to put in the static method. The moment when static blocks class loads in the memory, it will directly get executed. So if I cut this one, if I put after this main method, what happens? Even then also, you'll get the same output. Wherever it is, the static block itself executes the moment the class will loads in the memory. You see that? This is static block and main method. But if you have multiple static blocks, so the way how you put in the sequence, static block 1 and static block 2. Okay. If I try to execute this, you see that static block 1, and this is after the main method. Even then also, static will execute before main, right? So with the sequence, it first, then this is second, and this is last. So this is how you can use static block in your Java. Okay. So what could be the possible interpretations here? What is static keyword in Java? And what do you mean by static block? And what is the purpose of static block? Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you.